hi, good evening. Welcome to Disco Dance. It's Thursday night. So it's week 3. So far this week, we've been learning the first half of the verse. And what we're going to be doing tonight and tomorrow night is adding on what we've learnt this week so far to what we've learnt in the previous weeks. So we're going to recap everything we've learnt so far. And then we will put week 1, week 2 and week 3 all together to the music. Okay, so quick sip of water and let's get started. Here we go. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is, I'm just going to move this back a little bit. We are going to recap what we've learned so far on week 3. Okay, so it's really simple. If this is just for you guys, what I'm going to do is just run over this bit really quickly and then we'll leave a little bit more time for the earlier weeks. So let's just recap what we've done so far. The first count of 8, we do 2 steps to the right and we pull our shoulders up and we do 2s to the left. Excellent. We then do our step, ball change. So on our left, right, left, and repeat on the right side. Then we repeat the whole thing over to the left. So we go 2 to the left. This is count 3. Then count 4 is right, ball change, left, right, left ball change. So that's a very quick recap, but we're across that. So let's just do all of that all in one count of 4. So that we join all of that together. Then we'll recap weeks 1 and 2. So 2 steps to the right. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Right. So, week 1, let's just remind ourselves. So, we've got a step ball change over to the right side. 1 and 2. We step left. 3 and 4. We then do 2 kick ball changes. 5 and 6, 7, 8. That's your first count of 8. We walk round to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. We do a kick ball change, step together. That's your second count of 8. Your third count of 8, we step together, shimmy back, step together, shimmy back, and your fourth count of 8, you step right, right ball change, left, right, left ball change. Okay, that's really straightforward. So that was week 1. Week 2, we do our step tap on our right. So we're going to go step tap. That's your first count of 8. Your second count of 8, out, in, repeat on the left side. Step tap, out, in. We then do our step ball changes with our hips. So we go step, I can't remember it. Step, ball change. Okay, so that's starting on the left. We then repeat on the right. We go step, ball change. And then finally, our fourth count of 8, we've got our heel, pulse, heel, pulse. Then, so that's the end of week 2. Week 3, we're going to join on with our steps to the side, on the right side. So let's join that on. 7, 8. We go step together, to the left, together, step. Sorry, doing this too slowly. To the right. And then we go step, scoop, and step, scoop. Repeat over to the left side. Step, together, back, together. Go scoop, and scoop. Fabulous. Right, welcome, Mother. Hello. So what we're going to do, just to finally recap all of that 8 count, the whole stuff that we've learned so far in the last few weeks, and then we're going to do it with the music. All right, so let's do week 1. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Week 1, step, kick ball change, count 2, march, kick ball change, step together, count 3 and shimmy back, step together and shimmy back, count 4, we march round, step. Week 2, step dip, count out, in. Sorry, why can't I do this with it being so slow? We go step, ball change, step, ball change. Then we repeat on the left side, out, in. Oh God, sorry, I'm having a really real mental breakdown. Okay, let's start with week 2. Here we go, from the very beginning. We go, step it, out, in, in. We stepped it, out, in, I quit. Then we go step, full change. Step, full change. Arms pulse, and pulse, arms pulse, and pulse. Week 3, we start step to the side, and back. And then we go step, full change, step, full change to the left side, to the right side, and we go step, full change, step, full change. Right, we will nail this, okay? So it can be a bit of dusting off the cobwebs. So quick sip of water. Let's do all of that with the music. What I am going to be doing is shouting out, because we've got a few gaps now where we're going to be freestyling. Okay, so we're going to start off freestyling. We're going to do week 1 plus 2 plus 3. We'll then do a bit of freestyling, and we'll go back to week 1 and 2. Okay, so let me shout out what you need to be doing. It's going to be really straightforward, I promise. Okay, here we go. Right, so this bit, just freestyle, warm up, wicked. Nice. So we're going to be starting off with week 1, where the chorus kicks in. So our step will change on our right side. You ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step will change. Step, kick will change. Kick will change. Week 2. Kick will change. Step together. Count 3. Cool. Count 4. Nice. So week 2, we stepped it, out, in, step it, out, in, I quit, and step, full change, step, arms pulse, cool. Week 3, here we go, step to the side, step back, step scoop, to the left, cool. Now we freestyle. 4 counts of 8. You ready? Right, ready for your chorus. Week 1. Step full change on the right. Here we go. And step full change. Step, hip full change. March round. Hip full change. Step together. Step forward. Shimmy. Step forward. Shimmy. Step round. Awesome. Week 2. Step it. Week 2. Out, in. Step it. Out, in. I quit. Wicked. Step full change. Step full change. Heel, pulse. Heel, pulse. Week 3. Step together. Awesome. Step scoop. To the left. To the right. Step scoop. Wicked. Freestyle. Nice. So we're going to come back to our chorus. Step full change. Week 1. Here we go. 7, 8, and step full change. Hip full change. Step round. Hip full change. Step together. Step forward. Shimmy. Step forward. Shimmy. Step round. Lovely. Week 2. Step it. Out, in. Step it. Out, in. I quit. And step full change. Step full change. Arm, pulse. The chorus repeats. Week 1. Great. Step round. Count 3. Count 4. Week 2, step it. Out, in. Count 2. week 1,